Dear students, welcome to the class. Today, in this lesson, we shall learn test of divisibility. Divisibility rules for 2, 3, 5, 9. What is test of divisibility? A divisibility test is a test for checking whether one number is divisible by another number. Here, divisible means exactly divisible. If we know divisibility rule, we can reduce a fraction into its lowest terms. Moreover, we can find LCM and HCF of the given numbers. First of all, we will learn about test of divisibility by 2. A number is divisible by 2 if its units place, if its units digit is 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8, then the number is divisible by 2. For example, let us take an example. 132, 235, 468, 230. In 132, units digit is 2. Therefore, it is divisible by 2. Two 35, units digit is 5. That means odd number. If the units digit is even number, it is divisible by 2. It is odd number, it is not divisible. So here 135, 5 is odd number. So it is not divisible by 2. But in 468, units digit is 8. Therefore, it is divisible by 2. Here in 230, units digit is 0. Therefore, it is divisible by 2. So, in this way, we can decide, we can say without actual division, whether the given number is divisible by 2 or not. Now let us verify this one whether it is true or not. Take 132, divide the 2, long division method. Using long division method, we can verify this divisibility rule. 2 6 are 12. Here remainder 1, bring down 2. Again 2 6 are 12. So 0 is the remainder. No, this means no remainder. So 2 divides 132. So 132 is divisible by 2. So it is right. Now let us take 235 and divide by 2. 2 1s are 2, bring down 3, 2 1s are 2, remainder is 1, bring down 5, 2 7s are 14, here remainder 1. So 2 does not divide completely to 35. So the same result is we got here, and so 235 is not divisible by 2. Here also 235 is not divisible by 2. So we can by this we can conclude that the number is divisible by 2 if its units digit is 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8. Next, Test of divisibility. By 3. How can we say whether the given number is divisible by 3 or not without actual division? With the sum of the digits, if the sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 3, then that number is divisible by by 3. So let us take an example and verify. 342 without actual division. Let us check this number whether it is divisible by 3 or not. Now add all the digits in this number, sum of the digits. All digits is equal to 3 plus 4 plus 2. That is equal to 342 9. So 9, this 9 is, let us divide this 9 by 3. 3 3 is a 9. So 9 is divisible by 3. Then we can decide that therefore 342 is divisible by 3. Let us verify whether it is divisible by 3 or not by long division method. Let us take long division method. 342 by 3. 3 1 ja 3. Bring down 4. 3 1 ja 3. 1 2 3 4 ja 12. Yes, we got remainder 0. That means 3 divides 342. So 342 is divisible by 3. So the rule is verified. Let us take one more example. 735. Example 2. Now add all these numbers. 7 plus 3 plus 5, that is equal to 15. Therefore, divide 15 with 3. 3 5 is 15. Therefore, we can say that 735 is divisible by 3. Now let us take one more example. 4,351. Sum of the all digits 4 plus 3 plus 5 plus 1. That is 6 9 13. So divide 13 by 3. 3 4s are 12. So remainder 1. Therefore, 4351 is not divisible by 3. Let us verify this one by long division method. 4351. 3 1s are 3. 13. 3 4s are 12. 15. 3 5s are 15. Here, bring down 1. So 300. So 0 will be there. So here remainder 1. So 3 does not divide 4351. Here also same result we got. In this way we can verify the given number is divisible by 3 or not. Now let us check the divisibility rule for 5. Test of divisibility for 5. If units digit of a number is 0 or 5, then that number is divisible by 5. Let us take an example here. 475 is divisible by 5 because its units digit is 5 here. 350, here units digit is 0. So we can decide 350 is divisible by 5 without actual division. 392 is here. 392 is divisible or not? Here units digit is 2. So therefore 392 is not divisible by 5. Let us verify by long division method. Take 475 and divide by 5. 4 9s are 45. 4 5s are 5 5s are 25. 5 9s are 45. Here remainder 2. Bring down 5. 5 5s are 25. Is 0 remainder. So 5 divides. Here also 475 divisible by 5. Let us take this number 392. Divide by 5. 5 7 is 35. Remainder 4. Bring down 2. 5 8 is 40. Remainder 2. So not divisible. 5 does not divide. So here also same result we got. 392 is not divisible by 5. In this way, we can decide whether the given number is divisible by 5 or not by using this test of divisibility by 5. Now, let us check whether the number is divisible by 9 or not. That is, test of divisibility by 9. If the sum of all the digits of a number is divisible by 9, then the number is divisible by 9. Example 918. 9 plus 1 plus 8, 18, divisible by 9. Okay. 235, not divisible. Okay. If you have any doubts, ask me in the comment box. I will clarify. Because 2 plus 3 plus 5 is equal to 10. So not divisible by 9. Okay. Here is an assignment to you. Here some numbers are given. You have to decide the given numbers are divisible by 2 or 3 or 5 or 9 without actual division. I will explain one number. 13,536 number is here. Whether it is divisible by 2 or not. The last digit is 6 here. So it is even number. So it is divisible by 2. If there is 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8, it is divisible by 2. So here 6 is here divisible by 2. Now divisible by 3. Let us add all the numbers. 1 plus 3, 5, 4, 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 3, 12, 12 plus 6, 18. 18 is divisible by 3. 3 6 are 18. Therefore, 13,536 is divisible by 3. Here divisibility by 5. It is not divisible by 5 because units digit is not 0, not 5. It is 6 is here. Therefore, it is not divisible by 5. Now, let us take 9. Add all these numbers. 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 3, 12, 12 plus 6, 18. 18 is divisible by 9. So the 13,536 number is divisible by 9. In this way, you have to solve all these problems. If you have any doubts, write in the comment box. I will clarify it. Okay.